Let's be real. You work hard for your money. Every hour you put in, every skill you bring to the table has value. And that value, it translates directly into your salary. Negotiating your salary isn't about being greedy, it's about being smart. It's about advocating for yourself and ensuring you're being compensated fairly for your contributions. Think of it this way. Even a small increase in your starting salary can make a huge difference over the course of your career. Imagine this. You negotiate an extra $5,000 per year. Over 10 years, that's an extra $50,000. Now, imagine the impact over a lifetime. This isn't just about today's paycheck. It's about setting yourself up for long-term financial success. Mastering the art of salary negotiation is an investment in yourself, your future earning potential, and your overall financial well-being. It's a skill that will pay dividends throughout your career. Confidence is non-negotiable when it comes to salary discussions. When you believe in your value, it shows. And when it shows, others are more likely to recognize and reward it. So, how do you cultivate this unshakable confidence? Start by acknowledging your accomplishments. Make a list of your skills, your experience, and the positive impact you've had in previous roles. Don't downplay your achievements. Next, research salary ranges for similar positions in your field. Websites like Glassdoor and Salary.com can be valuable resources. Knowing your worth in the market empowers you to negotiate from a position of strength. Remember, you bring unique talents and perspectives to the table. Own your strengths, articulate your value clearly, and don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Confidence is contagious, and it can make all the difference in a negotiation. Effective salary negotiation is a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned and honed. Here are some essential techniques to master active listening. Pay close attention to what the other person is saying. Listen for cues and understand their perspective. This will allow you to tailor your responses and find common ground. Clear communication. Clearly articulate your expectations and desired salary range. Use specific examples to support your points and highlight your value. Flexibility and compromise. Be willing to negotiate on certain aspects while holding firm on others. Find creative solutions that benefit both parties. Remember, negotiation is about finding a mutually agreeable outcome. By practicing these skills, you'll become a more confident and effective negotiator, ready to navigate any salary discussion with finesse. Let's dive into some real-life scenarios to illustrate how these negotiation skills play out. First, the job offer. You've aced the interviews and received a job offer. The salary is slightly lower than you hoped. Don't panic. This is your opportunity to negotiate. Express your enthusiasm for the role, then politely state your desired salary range, backing it up with your market research and qualifications. Next, the performance review. You've consistently exceeded expectations in your current role, and it's time for your performance review. This is the perfect time to discuss a raise. Prepare specific examples of your accomplishments and how they've positively impacted the company. Lastly, the promotion discussion. You've been offered a promotion. Congratulations. This is a great time to negotiate your new salary and benefits package. Research salaries for similar roles and be prepared to discuss your expanded responsibilities and how you'll excel in your new position. By practicing these skills and approaching each negotiation with a confident and strategic mindset, you can set yourself up for success and ensure you're being fairly compensated for your hard work and dedication. The key to acing any negotiation is preparation. Before you step into that conversation, do your homework. Start by researching salary ranges for your position and experience level in your geographic area. Websites like Glassdoor, Indeed, and Salary.com can be invaluable resources for this. Knowing your market value is crucial for setting realistic expectations. Next, rehearse your talking points. Practice delivering your salary expectations and supporting arguments out loud. This will help you feel more confident and articulate during the actual negotiation. Think about potential counter-arguments the other party might raise and prepare your responses in advance. The more prepared you are, the smoother the negotiation is likely to be. Finally, remember that knowledge is power. Arm yourself with information, anticipate potential objections, and practice your delivery. By investing the time to prepare thoroughly, you'll approach the negotiation with the confidence and strategic advantage you need to succeed. Negotiating your salary can feel intimidating, especially if you're just starting out in your career. Remember, it's a conversation, not a confrontation. By approaching it with confidence, preparation, and a willingness to find mutually beneficial solutions, you can navigate these discussions effectively. Internalize this: you are a valuable asset, and your compensation should reflect that. Don't underestimate your worth or shy away from advocating for yourself. The skills you bring to the table, the effort you invest, and the results you deliver all have tangible value. So, as you embark on your next salary negotiation, walk in with your head held high, your research in hand, and the belief that you deserve to be compensated fairly for your contributions. The ability to negotiate effectively is a skill that will serve you well throughout your career, empowering you to achieve your financial goals and build the future you envision.